I told you that you should think about elections, yeah. And if you want to fix something on some local area, maybe you should be elected. Why not? Or you should realize your right on local area through NGO. But actually, firstly, you should understand that this is your not actually rights, not actually possibility. Firstly, it's your responsibility. So you should think about it when you will go to election and when you will discuss about politics. Because now, I think that 80% of our citizens will elect old faces, yeah, without thinking about future. It's a very important situation, and when we tell that we won't live like in Europe, why not? But we should know about our representatives. We should know law. We should do something to have these good municipal services. I think it's one way. We so trustful. And actually, it's a terrible situation. That's why I want to give you small part of information, what you can and what you should do.